Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the Powools ATJ-006 Tire Inflator with digital dual values display, your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product, Powools portable air pump is born with a powerful motor and a high-performance chip, providing a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch and a strong airflow. This portable tire inflator for cars can pump up a standard car tire from 30 to 36 psi in less than 1 minute, offering 3 times faster inflation than others. It can save you valuable time in emergencies or routine maintenance. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Powools ATJ-006 Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles, Product Description, Preset Modes, Real-Time Pressure Value, Pressure Units, Preset Pressure Value, Battery Level Indicator, LED Light Switch, On-Off Switch, Plus or Minus Preset Pressure Value, Mode Switch, Air Hose Interface, LED Light, Type-C Charging Port. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. How to recharge. To charge the tire inflator, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.